Hi everyone, this is the Mercedes W168.169.245. It's all the same problem, the code P0121. This is the throttle pedal sensor and the all associated problems. Loss of power, safe mode. You can see in my other video that I cleaned the throttle body itself to exclude buying such expensive piece. This piece is around $200 at least. You can find it on eBay in around $80 used. There are other expensive brands, same part number but expensive. It can reach $300-400, which is so expensive for the value of such car. Just tips. This is the pedal sensor itself. You may find it simple to, you can see there's two screws, but it is very big headache to change. First, it's expensive. Second, the part that is connected here is the part connected to the pedal itself. I'm gonna show you the details in the video, but I wanna go with you with the stuff you really have to do before you start thinking. The sensor is down, so the screws you have to remove. Actually, you have to take out this panel. Take it out. There's a screw exactly here, one screw. You have to take this panel also out from here. You take it out and you just reach a screw also here. Those are the two hidden screws. Beside that, you have the screw here and a screw on this side. Where is it? This one. Okay, this screw you have to remove. Those four, this is what hold it to the upper compartment. The rest I'm gonna go in details with you, but those are the screws that hold it from the upper side. The rest you have to remove. Just this clip, this window here, you remove it with very thin plastic instrument or very thin flat screwdriver, which I don't prefer because this is very fragile plastic. I managed to put it back without breakage, but it was headache. Careful for the mistakes of the guys here. They make the same mistake. They always break this panel. As you can see here, it's very fragile edge here, or they will break the retention clips, which I'm going to show you later. There is a hidden screw behind this panel also here. You're going to see it later on the detail when I dismantle it. This part of the video just to show you the screws. Of course, this is the famous inlet. You can see it there. Here. This one. This is the inlet. This is another also hidden screw there beside the screws that I'm gonna show you after a while. This is the pedal sensor. If you have this problem and you wanna exchange it, it's not like all the Mercedes. This sensor usually in the engine compartment. In this car, it's here. It is very hectic place to work on. You can see the lower screw here, but the upper you can't even see it. It's hidden all, so you have to remove all this panel. This is the first step. Second tip, don't you ever play with this part. You see this spring here, and this is the part that you see exactly here. The one after it, this part, see this part here, that goes with another spring holding the pedal itself to the mechanism. There is spring mechanism there. You can see the white stuff. This is lithium grease I put before I install it. Okay, and also the spring that is covered with the grease also. This is very difficult to put back, so don't play with it. It's very extremely difficult to put back, so don't play with it. Just unhook this very difficult clip here. Is very difficult from the front and from the back. There are two, so use any curved instrument to pull it from the back at the same time. You put it out and it will still be in your way, and then you unscrew upper and lower and remove the old sensor and just put the other one inside. If you have difficulties to put this one, the new one, in its places, it have to go like this grooves. I'm gonna show you outside. Keep up with. You can see here it goes through this piece which I show you. There's a spring with the lithium grease and the pedal hook there. If you find any difficulty to put it through this, try to play with this while you are pushing. Try to level this one, and when you take the old one, make sure that you hold this one with this plate, hold it together so it doesn't flip out and the spring will be out. And putting this spring that goes on this piece, it's a big headache. It's a big headache. You don't want to deal with it. So once on dismantling this pedal sensor, hold this one and ask for help if you can. Hold this one as one piece and retract this one out while you are holding this in its place. You shouldn't move this piece at all, okay, unless it's broken. When you put this one back, the new one, it will go within those two holes here, here, and here. Here goes this mechanism to the pedal itself, so it's going to be here and here. If it doesn't go smooth with you, it will be because you have to adjust while you are holding this part with the plate. There's a plate here holding the spring in its place. Try to maneuver this one in and out, especially like this, okay, but keep it in its place and everything will go as good as you want. But I'm just sharing the experience, which is not in any forum and not on any manual, not in any DIY, although there are no DIYs for this pedal sensor. I think it's the only one showing the Mercedes pedal sensor exchange, this one. I'm gonna show you also how I dismantle it, but as I told you, when you take it out, careful. When you put it in, also careful, please. We'll go to the video with the details now. You have two screws here, you have one here, and you have the other one here, okay. Then what you will do, you will remove this screw holding the handbrake, this one. You can just loosen it and let it be there. Then you're gonna take out the panel itself here. There is clip here, this one. You just pry it out like this. Don't ruin it, don't break the panels, because most of the videos that show you how you break it, I have here broken previously from the guy who installed the reverse sensors. This was imported in Italy. So anyway, so the lower part, so you don't have to break it. After you remove this clip, this screw, which is here hidden, you can find it next to on the same size of same level of the fuse box. It's here. So you remove this one. There's the cap here, small cap, hidden cap. Just pry it out, and this Philip also screw here. Remove it, take it out. Now your panel is ready to be removed, except for the clip. This small clip here, you see it there. It's hidden beneath this part. So don't break this one, don't break this one. What you will do, just pry the panel a little bit and push this end backward. Don't pull it the other side or outside. Just put it backward while you are raising this one, and just take it out so you don't break it. So many have this panel broken just because of this process. So now we took the panel out. You will find now this screw, this one, which we took out. Hardly. We took it out. Careful for your handles. Yeah, and last note, for people who have like my model, you have the ventilation here connected. There's no vent duct, so just put it to the outer side. The guys who have the ventilator duct before, like beneath, you will like just have to remove it before you start the whole installation. I hope this covered up everything. Hope you find it useful. This is the throttle body sensor. You can see the upper screw. I removed all of this just because of the upper screw, and this proved the stupidity of Mercedes in this car, but what can we do? See you in other videos. Bye bye.